In this video, I am going to teach you how to create a complete Excel dashboard using only ChatGPT step by step. This is a super easy way to build a dashboard even if you're not an Excel expert. Let's get started. Go to chatgpt.com and sign into your account to get started. In the chat box, type, "Create me an Excel dashboard," then wait for ChatGPT to reply with instructions. In this video, ChatGPT required me to answer 5 questions. What is the dashboard for? What data do you have? What key metrics KPIs do you want to see? Do you prefer any chart types? How often will you update the data? Just answer all these questions clearly. Now ChatGPT will generate the dashboard layout and formulas based on your answers. You can see a preview with a graph and an Excel file. Just download the file provided. Open the downloaded Excel file and you'll see the complete dashboard that ChatGPT created for you. And that's how you create an Excel dashboard with ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more practical tutorials. See you next time!